Here I've got Bush Spira B3 and let me show you how to activate and use TalkBack on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and choose the settings right here. Now find and choose accessibility and then go to TalkBack. And here to activate it, just click on this switcher and come along with all the notifications, all the information regarding TalkBack, give your permission to use all the apps and then click on OK. So from now on you will be able to hear the spoken feedback on what is displayed on the display. So let me click on next.
To scroll through a list, next button. Talk, next button. TalkBack, next button. This lesson will home button. Home
and as you can see,
home screen 1 of 1. Home screen 1 of 1.
As you can see now, you will be provided with the typical description of the currently marked item, as you can see, for example, messages.
Chrome. Phone. Contacts.
And to activate some particular feature, some particular app, you have to tap once to select it, and then tap twice to open. Double tap to open. Let's go to the accessibility, and now we will switch TalkBack off by tapping on the switcher. So all you have to do is to tap once to select and then double tap to turn off in this case, but to just pick the particular option. And that would be all, so you can activate and use TalkBack on your device. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.